Welcome to another episode of Watch Me Do Family History with Chris Knudsen. Today we are going to use our smartphone to do family history, and we're going to attach some record hints, attach some records to my ancestors and relatives. So let's go ahead and open up the Family Tree app. And here we are looking at my fan chart, Christopher Preston Knudsen, and my parents and my grandparents. Today, though, we're actually going to click on one of the tabs down below. The first tab is Tree. The second tab is Tasks. We're going to click on that Tasks button. And I'm going to pull down on this list. And that brings up the option of switching over to just record hints. So I'm going to click on that Hints button. And our first one is Larry Brazau. And let's go ahead and see what he has to do. So we're going to click on that. And it looks like we have a birth date and a death date, but no places. Let's see who his spouse is. No spouses. And he's got some parents. And let's click on that record. Looks like we have a Find a Grave, 2 Find a Grave records. So we'll click on that and click Compare. And click. Okay, so those are the same. But now we know he's buried in the Steele Cemetery in Falls City, Richardson, Nebraska. We're going to bring that over. And I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click Yes, Attach. Now, if you can't see the full screen, this is in vertical view. And there's a square button at the bottom right to expand it so that it's taking up the full view of your phone. So you can see exactly what I'm seeing as I'm recording this. Now I'm going to click the Done button. And it looks like there's another one, exact copy for some reason. We're going to click Yes, Attach, and we are done. Now it says there are no hints available for this person, so I'm going to click the back arrow at the top left, and click the back arrow again. Now we're moving on, ancestors with tasks. Ardell Oman, born in 1915. Let's click on his blue circle off to the right there. There's a death index, 2 death index, and a United States Genealogy Bank obituary. So we'll click on that and click Compare. So we're comparing to make sure that it's the right person. And if we scroll, on the left is the information from the record, and on the right is information already on the family tree. Looks like everything from the new record is the same as what we already have. So yes, it is correct. It's the right person. I'm going to click Yes, Attach. And I'm going to click that we are done. Next, let's do the Texas Death Index again. Click Compare. Looks like it's the same information, same person. I'm going to click Yes, Attach, and done. And now United States Genealogy Bank obituary. Ardell Oman. Click Compare. Born in 1914. Died in 1997. So it's interesting, there's a later death date, but I'm guessing that's because that's the date the obituary was printed, and I am correct. The obituary came out on the 21st of December, 1997 in Texas. So we're going to bring that over, scroll down, and hit Yes, Attach, and done. There are no hints available for this person anymore. We're going to click the back arrow again, and it keeps moving us down the list. Charles Dennis Oman. Now, just for fun, let's see how I'm related to this Charles Dennis Oman, born in 1900, Henrietta, Texas. So to do that, I'm going to click the right 3-dot hamburger button up at the top right, and I'm going to click View My Relationship. And this says that Charles Dennis Oman is my 9th cousin 3 times removed. So if I start back down at me, and it goes up through my dad, through my grandma, Grandma Lamb, Grandma Hakes, Grandpa Hakes, Grandpa Hakes, Martha Adams, Jonathan Adams, clear back to the 1500s and coming back down through that line, the Whites, the Omans, to Charles Dennis Oman. So I'm going to click the back button, and we're going to click that blue circle at the top near Charles Dennis Oman's name, and he has an obituary. So we're going to click on that. And scroll down and click Compare. Birth about 1901, which is just an estimate, but his death date is the same, so it's got to be the same person. Same 3 names, same person, same obituary, but it's got a residence here in 1984 as Little Rock, Arkansas. So I'm going to bring that over. And child Helen Webb, which it doesn't look like we had that already. And some siblings, Harry, Roy, RD. If I look at the siblings that we already have, there's a Harry Travis, RD, and an LD. So I'm going to scroll down here and hit yes, attach. And Helen Webb as a daughter. She is not on here, but she's probably not, I'm going to skip her because she's probably not, she's probably still living. Harry Oman is a brother. Roy Oman is a brother. Let's go back to Harry. So Harry Oman, Harry Lore Oman. I'm guessing it's Harry Travis Oman because that's more about the brother's age. I'm going to click that. Click continue. And click yes, attach. Now it's going to the brother, Roy Oman. So let's see if we can find Roy in this list. Roy Lee Oman, we'll click on that, click continue, and scroll down and click residence, Henrietta, Texas, and click yes. And another brother, RD. Let's see if we can find him. Ardell Oman, that must be him. Click continue. We're going to scroll down. Residence, Austin, Texas in 1984. We're going to click yes. And LD Oman, we're going to add that person. LD Oman, born 1916. I'm going to check that box there and click continue. And we're going to scroll down and hit bring over the residence, Little Rock, Arkansas. And we're going to click the blue yes attach button. And we're going to skip the daughter because the daughter's probably still living. So let's click the back arrow. It's going to leave and no more record hints. So it's been 5 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and stop there. You saw how easy it is to attach a bunch of records. You want to just compare, make sure it's the right person, and add any information from the record that's not already on FamilySearch, and then click the attach record button. And it's pretty easy. If you liked this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel, watch me do family history, and we'll see you again